Hello, so right now we're looking at question number 8. It says write an expression that represents each of the following statements. So looking at the first one, it says the number obtained when 3 times x is subtracted by the sum of y and z, and the second one says the quotient obtained when the sum of the three numbers x, y, and z is divided by their product. So looking at the first one, it says the number obtained. So the number obtained when 3 times x is subtracted by the sum of y and z. So I've gone ahead and boxed in the ones that are going to be numbers in this expression, and then I've underlined different keywords here. So we know that 3 times x is going to be a number, so we can denote that as 3 times x, or 3 times x, or just 3x. So I'm going to go with 3x in this case, and then the sum of y and z you can denote like y plus z, and that's it. But in this case, the sum is actually going to give us a number, so we're going to have to put that in parentheses so that whatever comes out of here is going to be some number. And it's not touched. So that way it follows the order of operations. So we do what's in the parentheses first to get this number, and then we do what's outside, and then we're going to do this stuff. So the number, I'm going to give that the letter n. So the number is equal to, again, we're going to do the sum first. So the sum of y plus z minus, because it's subtraction, so minus 3x. And that's our answer for this one. For the second one, it says the quotient. Quotient, we're talking about division, so you can denote things like this. You can have a number up here like 2 and a number down here like 3. So that's what we're dealing with now, is division, obtained when the sum of the three numbers, so the sum of the three numbers x, y, and z is divided by their product. So so like I said, you can denote a division like this or like this. Multiplication you can denote by doing some number 2 times some other number here. You can have it 2 times, some other number here, and so on. So we're going to go ahead and look at the first one. It says when the sum of the first three of these three numbers here is divided by their product. So we're going to go ahead and give the quotient to the letter Q. We'll make it a capital Q. So Q is equal to the sum of the three numbers, so x plus y plus z divided by their product. So divided by x times y times z. And you can put a little dot in here to emphasize that it is a multiplication between these three. And that's our final answer for this question.